Shalom lekulam! Welcome to part 6 of our lesson series on Hebrew suffixes. In this video, we're going to see how suffixes are used to form construct chains in Hebrew. In Hebrew, nouns can appear in the absolute state or the construct state. So what is the absolute state? This is the original, unaltered state of the word. The construct state is a state where a word is connected to another word in order to form a chain of words, right, to express something particular. A construct chain is therefore two or more nouns linked together in order to express a relation of possession or to create a noun with a totally new meaning. Here's a first example with the Hebrew word for dog, kelev. Kelev is a masculine noun which means dog. In its absolute state, in the singular form, dog is kelev in Hebrew. Kelev, dog. And if you want to say dogs, we say klavim. Klavim, dogs. Kelev, dog. Klavim, dogs. Now, when dog, kelev, is in a construct state, it doesn't just mean dog. Kelev plus another noun in a construct chain would mean dog of. And klavim, which means dogs, will adopt the suffix a. So klavim, dogs, becomes convey. Convey means dogs of. So let's look at those construct states in a construct chain. So kelev rechov means dog of street, because kelev means dog of in this chain, and rechov means street. So kelev, dog of, rechov, street. So literally that means dog of street. And that's how we say street dog in Hebrew. And to say street dogs, we have convey, which is in a construct state, that means dogs of, plus rechov, which means street, becomes convey rechov. Convey means dogs of, and rechov means street. So convey, dogs of, plus rechov, street, means dogs of street. Convey rechov. That's how we say street dogs. In a construct chain, every word except for the last one is in a construct state. So in these examples, the last word is rechov, which means street. Notice that it is in its absolute unaltered state. Only the other words before the last word are in a construct state. So kelev is in a construct state, and here it means dog of. And rechov doesn't change its state. It is an absolute state, which means street. Kelev rechov, dog of street, street dog. And it's the same with convey rechov. Rechov doesn't change. It's still rechov. It's in its absolute state, which means street. And it is convey, the word before it, that has been altered to be in a construct state to mean dogs of. So dogs of street, convey rechov. As a general rule, suffixes are used in construct states in these manners. On the right side, let's see how to form the construct state of a plural masculine noun ending in im. We had our example of klavim, which means dogs, and its construct state would adopt the suffix a. Klavim, dogs, becomes convey, to say dogs of. So in a construct chain, convey rechov means convey, dogs of, rechov, street, convey, dogs of, rechov, street, convey rechov, dogs of street. That's how we say street dogs. But on the left side, we'll see the example of singular feminine nouns ending in a. So here we have the example of uga. Uga is the absolute state of the Hebrew word for cake. Uga means cake. And to form the construct state of this singular feminine noun ending in a, we add the t sound with the letter taf. So uga, cake, becomes ugat. In this case, ugat means cake off. So in a construct chain, ugat plus chocolate means ugat, cake off, chocolate, chocolate. So cake of chocolate, ugat chocolate. That's how we say chocolate cake in Hebrew. And here are more examples. On the masculine side, as we said, to form a construct state of a plural masculine noun ending in im, we add the suffix a. So yamim, okay, ends with an im, and that means days. And to say days off, to make it a construct state, we say yemei. Yamim, days. Yemei means days off. So to say birthdays, we say yemei huledet. Yemei means days off, and huledet means birth. So yemei, days off, huledet, birth. That's literally saying days of birth. Yemei huledet. That's how we say birthdays in Hebrew. Now another example on the singular feminine noun side. So we said that to form the construct state of a singular feminine noun ending in a, okay, we add t. So simla ends in a, and that means dress or gown or robe. And if we add t, simla becomes simlat. That now means dress off, or gown off, or robe off, okay, something. So in a construct chain, that becomes like this, simlat hamesiba. So simlat means dress off, and hamesiba, ha means the, mesiba means party. So that's simlat, dress off, hamesiba, the party. Dress of the party, simlat hamesiba. That's how we say party dress or evening gown, party gown. Simlat hamesiba. So we have yemei huledet, birthdays, and simlat hamesiba, party dress. And here are some biblical examples of suffixes in construct states. So again, because we form the construct state of a plural masculine noun ending in im by adding the suffix a, we have this example. Banim means sons. So to add the suffix a, banim, sons, becomes bnei, sons of. So when we say bnei Israel, bnei means sons of plus Israel. That means sons of Israel. And to form the construct state of singular feminine nouns ending in a, we add the suffix t, the t sound, t sound. So Torah means teaching. It ends with an a, so we add t, taf. Torah becomes Torat. So Torah means teaching. Torat means teaching of. Okay, so in a construct chain, we say, for example, Torat Moshe. Torat means teaching of. Moshe means Moses. So teaching of Moses. Torat Moshe. That's how Jews would say the law of Moses. Torat Moshe. To summarize, not all construct states adopt suffixes. As we have seen, suffixes in construct states are found in these instances. In construct states of plural masculine nouns ending in im, the suffix is a, And in construct states of singular feminine nouns ending in a, the suffix is the t sound, so it becomes at. Now let's see if you remember what these construct chains mean. כלבי רחוב, כלבי רחוב. עוגת שוקולד, עוגת שוקולד. ימי הולדת, ימי הולדת. שמלת המסיבה, שמלת המסיבה. בני ישראל, בני ישראל. תורת משה, תורת משה. Okay, so how did you go? Let's see. If you remembered, כלבי רחוב means street dogs. That's literally dogs of street. And that's how we say street dogs in Hebrew. And if you remembered עוגת שוקולד, that literally means cake of chocolate. That means chocolate cake. And if you remembered ימי הולדת, that's days of birth, birthdays. And שמלת המסיבה, שמלת means dress off, המסיבה means the party, so that's dress of the party. And that's how we say party dress. And we have bnei Israel. Bnei means sons of, so plus Israel, that's sons of Israel. Bnei Israel. And Torat Moshe. Torat means teaching of, plus Moshe, which means Moses. That means teaching of Moses. That's how Jews say the law of Moses. So that's it for part 6 of our lesson series on Hebrew suffixes. Now you know the suffixes which are used in construct chains. And next time, in part 7, which is the last lesson in this series on suffixes, we're going to see the Hebrew suffixes that are used to form derivatives and loanwords. Thanks a lot for watching. להתראות. See you again. Bye.